Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I just look relaxed. I mean, when you've been in your house, well actually when you're 8 months pregnant, you kind of don't care about your appearance or how you're dressed as long as you're comfortable and you're not sweating. That's as best as it's gonna get right here. So for today's video, we're going to go through my setting sprays. I figured why not continue the decluttering process. I mean, as you can tell, I already have a mess going on. So I figured I need to go through these. I did recently move, so that is why things are still like in containers and stuff like that and not organized. And I figured this is going to be some motivation for me to get stuff unpacked. So I do have a mixture of high-end and drugstore setting sprays. What I did, that's dirty. That was dirty. So I do have a mixture of all my high-end and drugstore setting sprays here. I know for sure this one hasn't been used. It is the Marc Jacobs Perfecting Coconut Setting Mist. I might just give this a no. You know what, I'm just not even gonna lie to myself. So I am going to declutter this just because I haven't used it. Now this one, is this the one? Yeah. So I'm actually going to declutter this one. It is not the Smashbox primer water. It is actually the MAC Cosmetics Mattifying primer. It's the one that's like, you know, once it settles, it's like 2 tones or whatever. Not 2 tones, but it's like you have to mix the product. The MAC bottle broke and MAC wouldn't send me a new one. So I didn't want all this product to go to waste, so I did keep it in this Smashbox bottle, but it wasn't working out. So I am going to declutter this. Now let's see, I know I have more than just one of these. Okay, so I'm gonna collect, Wet n Wild, Wet n Wild, Wet n Wild. I know I have another one, yeah. Wet n Wild, do I have another one? So these are all the ones that I have for Wet n Wild. So since these are very drugstore friendly, I am going to keep these. This one's like halfway gone. This one's halfway as well. And these are more on the fuller side because these are more for when I want to prep my face or afterwards if I used an extra drying product. These are perfect for it. These are very inexpensive, and if you guys are out there in the market for a setting spray, whether it's a mattifying one or sort of like bringing some more hydration to your skin or priming your skin, these are perfect to try. So what I am also going to do is separate my setting sprays from priming sprays to mattifying sprays. And then I'm gonna have the drugstores more up front because the drugstores, I do tend to forget about those a little bit more because I find myself wanting to reach for the higher ends because, you know, I pay more money for them, so I'm trying to use it up. Now let's see, this is the Ulta Beauty matte makeup spray. I don't remember how this was, so I am going to put this on the maybe pile. I know for sure I'm not going to get rid of my Tarte Stay and Spray. Now this product is glue, you guys. This, if you are looking for a setting spray that is going to make your makeup stick all day, I definitely suggest this one. When I tried it out, I was really surprised. So this I am definitely keeping. That's more on the mattifying, so I'm going to put that in the back. Now here I have the Milani Make It Last and the matte one. See, I'm like halfway done. See, I do really use my setting sprays a lot because I find that this is one of the routines that does help out my makeup stay longer. And if I don't use them, my makeup, it's just not good that day. So that is why I do use a lot of setting sprays, and I find it a little hard to try to declutter these. But I actually am going to keep both because I do actually like the matte one as well. And this is more like hydrating versus mattifying. So I am going to put that on this side. Now, I haven't tried this Pixie Glow Mist, and I am going to keep it. I am going to put it more on the front so that way I can try it out. I've been meaning to try that out, but with this pregnancy and my energy levels, I just haven't had the time to do my makeup and to really play with stuff around. So I'm definitely looking forward to getting to play with my makeup again. Alright, so these e.l.f. ones, they are going to be on the chopping block. I do need to try them out though, but I really need to think about and ask myself, when are you going to try them out, Melly? When? So I am going to put these up here just in case. Now this one I am going to actually trash it because this is really, really old. I was trying to finish up, but like I said, I have a lot of more setting sprays out here that I do enjoy and use versus this one. So this one is going to go in the trash because it's old. Let's see, Catrice. Oh, I have one more e.l.f. one, which I am actually going to keep this one because I do like it. I did use it a couple times, and it is the Hydrating Coconut Mist. So I am going to keep that one. Alright, so going to Catrice. I actually am going to declutter the Prime and Fine one. Now, I really do like this product. The only thing that I hate is the sprayer. The way that it sprays your face is like a direct spray that tends to kind of ruin your, like if you're not wearing waterproof eyelash glue, this will remove it. So this I am going to declutter. Now for this one, this is the Catrice Hydrating Prime and Care. Now this one, when I did purchase it a couple months ago, I really did enjoy it, so I am going to keep this one. Now this is the Avene Thermal Spring Water. I was trying to get into this, didn't really understand it. I know it's supposed to be for like hot weather days and stuff like that, but I'm just going to declutter it. It really wasn't providing any perks as far as my hydrating setting sprays do. See, now this one I was keeping just because this is the only setting spray that I have that has an SPF of 50. So I actually am going to keep this, but I'm going to keep this in like whenever hopefully we can enjoy summer soon. So I can put it in my summer bag. So I am going to keep this. It is a sample size, so I know there's not that much left in there because I did use this last year quite a lot. So I am going to keep it. Now I did receive this, I don't know how do you say it, Palm Mist hydrating spray from Ulta as a free gift, and I actually really do enjoy this. I feel like this is one of the sprays, hydrating sprays, that I see a difference in my skin, so I really do love this one. Here I have the Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist. I do also enjoy this one. Now I do want to do a little disclaimer. When you do spray this, you do get the little gold chunks on it, but it really doesn't bother me because after I put foundation and powder, they tend to flake away. But this product, I actually enjoy the Palm Mist one more than the Farsali. But since I already spent the money for it and it's like 3/4 of the way almost empty, I'm going to try to finish it. Now this is another one that I've been meaning to try. I am going to put this next to the Ulta one because there's a couple of sprays in here that I've been meaning to try but just haven't because like I said, I haven't played with makeup in a while. So we'll see. Now this is the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. This does help out with keeping your makeup stay put. Like this is the spray that I use whenever I'm retouching up my makeup. I wish they sold this in a sample size, or maybe they do. I just haven't really checked the Ulta website in a long time. But if they sold that in a sample size, like a little deluxe size like this, then I would definitely declutter this one. But since this one goes in my little makeup bag, I am going to keep it. Now here we have the MAC Prep and Prime. I feel like this is an okay product. I feel like if I would declutter it, I won't miss it, but I'm going to put this in the maybe pile. Now here we have the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 spray. Now this is also a good setting spray or hydrating spray in my opinion. When you've used that really drying product and you want to bring it back to life, this does make your products very, very dewy. So if you are extra oily like I am, you do want to go lighter on the sprays versus, you know, if you're spraying on a mattifying spray. But I actually really do enjoy this one. And here we have the Peach Mist Mattifying Spray. This one as well is really good. So this is my little makeup bag that I have with products that I tend to retouch up on my face when I'm wearing makeup. Since this does fit comfortably in there, I'm actually going to declutter this one. I might as well just leave it in my purse too. So here we have another Tarte product. I was trying to, you know, combine the same brand, but didn't go that way. So this is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea spray. This is hydrating. I am actually going to keep this to try it out a little bit more just to see how it is. If not, I'm going to declutter it. Now here we have the Maybelline Lasting Fix setting spray. I don't remember if I even got a chance to try this out, so I am going to keep it because it's still very brand new and I'm going to try it out. So I actually have more priming and hydrating sprays than mattifying sprays. Really weird. I'm trying to remember about this Rimmel Shine Control Locks in Makeup Quick Dry Oil Free. I am going to keep this to try it out. I know I'm keeping more products to try out than, you know, that I enjoy, but give them a try. See, I'm gonna give them one more try to see if I like them or not. Now here we have Smashbox. I do have the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water, which I love, which I'm not going to get rid of. And then as well, I do have the Photo Finish Setting Spray. Now this one is not really mattifying, but it's not hydrating either. It's like right in the middle. It just helps your makeup stay in place. So I am going to keep that one. Here we have the Makeup Revolution Sport Fix Extra Hold one. Do I remember? I remember I used it, but I don't remember if I liked it. You know what? I'm going to put that one there. This one here, so try it out. And I actually am going to keep my MAC Prep and Prime Water just because it was an okay product. Now this one, this NYX Bear With Me Prime Set and Refresh Spray, I really do enjoy this product. I wish I had the energy to do my makeup because I know there would be more usage on this item, so I'm definitely going to keep it. I feel like this is very similar. It's like these two products, the Smashbox products combined together, and it's very inexpensive too, and you can find it at Ulta. Now here we have the Pure Mineral Mist Hydrate and Set. I am going to declutter this. I did like it, but I just have too many and I don't see myself reaching for this a lot, so I am going to declutter it. I'm trying to remember. It's because I got confused. You see how the bottles look the same? I think that's why I'm getting them confused. I don't remember which one I liked, but I am going to keep it because I know one of these I did enjoy using and the other one I didn't. So one of those was probably going to go away. I haven't used this Rose Water. You know what? This is actually more like skincare because it says Hydrating Face Mist, Soothe and Tone Skin. So I'm actually going to put this with my skincare products to try out instead of my setting sprays. And then this Ulta one, it is a matte makeup setting spray, so I am going to keep it to try it out. It is a small sample size, so I feel like it's not really taking up that much space. Now these e.l.f. ones. I am going to declutter the e.l.f. Matte Blotting Mist because I remember I used it and I was just like, it really didn't do anything. I am going to try out the Glow Dewy Mist because I don't think I used this one to really get an opinion about it. Alright guys, so that is it for my setting sprays declutter going on. I know I probably didn't declutter much. I do want to put a disclaimer since I did receive quite a bit of negative comments on my eyeshadow declutter. These are products that I do buy and purchase with my own money. I am in no way, shape, or form a big YouTuber where I am receiving free product like on the regular. So when it comes to these products, I mean, I'm not going to get any more new products till another month or two, so it's really not that I'm hoarding products. It's just that I am going to use them up. It's just not in a fast pace because there's just no need for me to be decluttering all my setting sprays if I'm not gonna be buying anything later on. So for me, this is something that I'm comfortable with keeping because this is something that I do use. I do rotate my sprays quite a bit, as you saw. A lot of them have a lot of usage on them. So like I said, I'm not sitting here receiving PR every single day where I have the luxury of rotating my setting sprays and declutter them because I have too many of them. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this small declutter and clearing out of my setting sprays. I will leave my Mercari store down below because I think I am going to list this Marc Jacobs one for sale. I did purchase it at TJ Maxx, but I don't remember how much it was, and I feel like it's such a waste to... I should have just done a better thinking process before I purchased that setting spray. But like I said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this small declutter. Let me know down below if you guys are also going through this deep cleaning process throughout this time where, you know, we're stuck at home. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and as well subscribe to my channel and click the notification. I can't breathe, guys. And click the notification button so that way you don't miss any future uploads. Thank you for joining me today, and we'll see you on the next one.